Hello everyone, this is Fari here, and I'm going to be unboxing the new DJ Furby. I thought it wasn't going to show up until next month, but turns out it came early, so good for me. So I'm just going to open it here. The box seems really light, so hopefully this is actually the right thing, but we'll see. I'm just used to eyeballs where they're like much heavier. Oh no, yep, this is it. The box is very tightly fitting, which isn't a bad thing. Oh, he's pretty little. I thought he was going to be a lot bigger. Here he is, DJ Furby. It says it is 32 inches long. Here's the box. Here's the top of it. Oh, and there's his face. Then just here's all the info on the box. It does, and it interacts with other Furbies. And supposedly it acts with the 2023 model, which I have, so I'll have to try that out. Even though mostly I just want to wear it as a boa for roller skating, so it'd be hilarious. Now I'm going to actually open the box. See how much extra tape is in here. Probably a lot. Oh, that was easy enough. So then here is his, oh, he's so cute. Look at him. He's so fluffy. But then here's his face, and I will pull it out, even though there's probably might be some stuff on the bottom, like there usually is. You can do it, buddy. Oh my god, this is so stupid. Whee! He's just like a thing. Oh, he's pretty soft though. It's surprising he is very soft. He could be like a nice lap pet. Now let's just figure out where his battery cover actually is. It looks like it might be in probably under a flap somewhere, but he is really cute. I'm gonna go see if I can wear him as a neck boa. Maybe a little, oh, he's a little small for that, but if you can kind of hold his tail and you'd be a nice neck boa. Because he is very cute and very rainbow and very silly. So anyway, this is just the unboxing of this little guy, but once I figure out where his batteries actually are, I will get some more videos of him. So I hope everyone else will be getting their long Furbies also soon, and then we'll all be able to run them and see how they work. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy seeing more of this little guy.